Hey guys, I'm Andy from Overkill Customs, and if you want to see how we build these cool headlights, keep watching. Okay, now I've got the factory light module pulled out. It's just got a simple clip. I'm just gonna hook that, and I'm just gonna leave that piece dangling inside the headlight, and the new Overkill light is gonna bolt right back into place. One of the cool little features about this controller is that there's a little toggle switch we installed right here next to the switch that we didn't want to drill any holes. But this way, if you turn it off, it just turns on with the parking lights. Very simple. Or if you're at a show and you want to have a show mode go on, you just flip it on and it just diverts the power around it. Okay, so we just wrapped up these headlights. Now, this was a much simpler task than taking the headlights apart, baking them, and then re-gluing them back together. You're less likely to have an issue with the manufacturer in case they try to give you crap about a modified vehicle. So everything still stays under warranty, which is a great thing. Takes about 4 hours or so to do this myself. If you're not experienced with this type of stuff, it might take you a little longer. Did hide the controller up under here, and I put a little toggle switch, so if I press this off to one way, the only time these lights come on, if you're using like your parking lights, so if you're driving like normal, I flip it over here on the show mode, so if you go to a car show, it always has a constant power. If you have any questions, reach out, 615-462-6074, or you can find us on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. We're gonna be Overkill Customs TN. Until then, like, comment, share, and subscribe.